We often face uncertainty in decision-making. Take, for example, the weather. Each day there is a probability of rain, even if that probability is 0%. When we check the weather, the probability of rain provides information to help us make decisions. At what point do you decide to take an umbrella? Your answer probably depends on the situation. If there's a 70% chance of rain and you're gardening, you may not think to bring an umbrella. But if instead you know you'll be walking several blocks in a business suit to attend a meeting, you'd probably bring an umbrella with you. These scenarios show that the level of certainty we want to have in a decision depends on its consequences. Some decisions are higher stakes than others. In that respect, decision-making in education is no different than any other types of decision-making. Let's go back to Christina and Raul. How certain do they want to be in concluding that the new communication strategy increased average attendance at school events by at least 5 family members? They know that their results are an estimate of the true effect of the new communication strategy. And while they may be pretty confident in the effects, they can't know for sure what the true effect is. Instead, they'll need to decide how certain they would have to be in the results to use them for decision-making. Again, they think about the cost of implementing the strategies. Given the low costs, if they're reasonably sure it improves engagement, then they feel comfortable bringing it to more schools. They also know that by comparing outcomes across a small sample of only 6 schools, they may not be able to achieve very high levels of confidence. And finally, they note that family engagement, their outcome of interest, isn't tied to any high-stakes accountability standards. So, Christina and Raul decide to set a certainty threshold of 60%. This means they want to be at least 60% certain that family engagement increased by 5 family members on average at school events. All certainty thresholds should be higher than 50%. Anything lower than 50% means it's more likely than not that the program did not lead to meaningful effects. Thresholds should reflect the decision being made. When you're thinking about how to set your certainty threshold, you can think about the same factors as Christina and Raul.